Hello and welcome back, y'all. It has been far too long. Um, but I think this is like the 1 year anniversary of our trading recap. So happy 1 year and welcome back to another trading recap. Today we took a win on our live account while we were trading at Top Golf today. And yeah, we're here gonna break it down really quickly. So going into the day, look on our daily chart. On the daily, using our next day function, right? When a previous day closes above the day before's high, we're expecting the next day's high to be the draw on liquidity. So, um, that in mind, we see this coming into the day and we're trading around in this area down here. So, our draw on liquidity is clearly higher. So, that's exactly what we look for. Uh, Overnight, though, it was pretty bearish from Asian to London, pretty bearish all the way down to almost sweep out all of these lows here and these lows, almost sweeping out these lows here. Um, but we had a lot of fair value gaps and we had a nice 15-minute order block there that we reacted off of. So um, that once I saw that and this nice reaction coming out of it, that further put my bias to bullish. So I'm thinking aiming for either the Asia high or the London high. So those are very important draws on liquidity. Almost every single day, if we're trading below um, an Asian high or an Asian low, London high, London low, those are very strong draws on liquidity and great targets for your trades um, to make good money for. So if we wanted the full extension, we would have targeted Asia highs, but we don't want to get greedy and be taught a lesson by the market. So we just take what the market will give us, which was a cool 80 points today. So on the 15-minute here, we have this big wick at 8:30. We had CPI today. So that inflation data came out and made this nice news wick with engineered liquidity on both ends. Um, you see I have the fib on both wicks because these are both rejection blocks to me, as we have this smaller order block here with accumulation, a whole bunch of accumulation there as well. Gives me the idea that there's a lot of orders that are still wanting to be filled in this area. So we're going to try to take advantage of that. Along with this inversion fair value gap here, brings all of this together. And then a fair value gap on top of that brings it all together into a a balanced price range. So it's called a BPR, balanced price range. And we that's very, 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 very high confluence to the upside, in my opinion. So seeing here, we have the fib on our wicks here to get more precise levels here, because what we've observed is more times than not, um, the CE of the wick might get ran through. But when we have very big wicks, we want to make sure we're getting as low of an entry as possible. So most times we'll aim for an OTE entry. So we did enter at CE since our 10 points would have covered that whole range and nearly the bottom of the wick, and rode that to the top. But while we were setting up our charts, we saw this wick get pretty much respected. We had two nice rejection blocks. And if we come up to the 5-minute, it's probably even cleaner of a rejection block. Um, right, exactly right there. So a nice clean rejection block, tap in, and then drop to the bottom. Um, Unfortunately, did not take out the lows of the Newsweek, which honestly I did think it was going to, but we did not get that. Um, we did, however, come and sweep out um, the highs after we reversed and you know balance this rejection block here. But other than that, great trading day today. Um, Great day of playing golf. And big day tomorrow because we are moving. So yeah, man, great things are happening. Lots of things to look forward to. And yeah, man, y'all just gonna have to stay tuned. So I'll catch you on the next trading recap. Hope y'all enjoy and peace.